na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, magliwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Sa documentation na ito, matutunghayan natin kung paano mag-English o tayong mga Pilipino. Bakit ganun tayo mag-English at ano-ano ang mga paraan para ma-achieve ang isang perfect English accent.
Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla.
Sometimes it sounds funny when they speak in English, when we Filipinos speak in English, but I think that's normal because we're not used to speaking in English. If ever we will speak and we will use the American accent, then probably that makes us very good speakers. But it doesn't mean when we use the Filipino accent, whenever we speak English, it doesn't mean we are not smart enough. It just means that we're very comfortable using the Filipino accent.
Nakakatawa pa talaga mag-English ng mga Pilipino? Tingnan natin itong mga to.
Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababa.
I'm honored to be with you today at your commencement from one of the finest universities in the world. I never graduated from college. Truth to be told, this is the closest I've ever gotten to a college graduation.
Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories.
Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories.
Bakit malalayo?
Isa pa nagiging problema ng mga Pilipino ngayon ay yung pagbasa nila ng paragraph. Each word kasi, ina-emphasize nila, binibigyan nila ng stress, may pressure sila sa mga words. Pero sa Westerners, hindi sila ganon. Meron silang tinatawag na liaisons. Liaisons, ito yung pag-glide ng mga words sa susunod nilang words. Lalo na kung ang first word is, yung last letter niya, vowel, tapos next word, yung first letter niya is vowel, dapat mag-glide sila. For example, yung what I can do for you is, ganun natin siya bigkasan, di ba? Bigkasin, I mean. What I can do for you is. Pero sa Westerner, ganito siya. What I can do for you is. Di ba? Sounds funny, pero ganun talaga.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo? Nabatanes ang Pangulo. Iba ang saya ng Pilipino.
Ang mga Pilipino ay walang F sound. Ang mga examples nito ay five, follow, Philippines, no plate. Na dapat bigas ay five, follow, Philippines, no plate.
55 pale verse, 55 pale verse, 55 pale verse. 55 pale verse, 55 pale verse, 55 pale verse.
55 pale bears. 55 pale bears. 55 pale bears.
Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet.
Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet. Kung Fu Panda Happy Feet.
Umalis, magliwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka.
Nagkaiba ng B at V. Nagkaiba ng B at V ay ang pronunciation nila.
Ang tsinelas mo, nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Blue, violet, happy feet. Blue, violet, happy feet. Blue, violet, happy feet.
Blue, violet, happy feet. Blue, violet, happy feet. Blue, violet, happy feet.
No B sounds. Victory, ban, bibo, living la vida loca, golden retriever. Blog and blog sound the same. The lack of B probably comes from the Spanish influence when the Spaniards invaded Philippines in the 1500s. That is why many of us Filipinos have Spanish last names like Bustos. My full name is Michael John Yadan Tumangil Pestaño Bustos. Try saying that 5 times.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo?
What can you say about Philippines?
It's very good. I liked it.
It's very good. And how about the Filipinos, sir?
I like them too.
Is there? Okay. And do you know something about our culture, Filipino culture?
Not much.
Stayed here, sir? How long you have stayed here?
2 months.
Oh, 2 months, that's why, sir. Okay, and what can you say about our accent? Our English accent?
It's good.
And what do you think of our accent, sir? My accent? Is there any difference to your accent, sir?
Maybe a little bit, but I'm not that good in English. Maganda.
Hi, sir. How about the Filipinos here?
Yeah, good, friendly people. Very family orientated.
Okay, thank you, sir. That's very overwhelming, sir. Okay, how about the Filipino culture, sir? Do you know anything about our culture?
Konti lang.
Konti lang, sir. There's no problem, sir. And how about our accent, sir? Our Filipino accent. When we're speaking English, what can you say about our accent, sir?
Easy to understand.
Easy to understand.
That's why I married a Filipino.
That's nice, sir.
Filipina.
Can you differentiate your accent to our accent, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference, sir?
You talk slower than me.
Yes, sir. And what do you think the best way to achieve the perfect English accent, sir?
Practice makes perfect.
Oh.
Kati-kati na ba ang iyong...
The important thing is that we Pinoys understand each other. That's why when Pinoys get together, we talk in our own way and share stories.
Amin ang isla.
Importante nga naman talaga ay yung nagkakaintindihan tayo mga Pilipino. Ngunit, subalit, pero dadapat, huwag nating kalimutan ang sariling wika. Tama na yung may alam tayo o marunong tayo magsalita ng wikang Ingles.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligat.